Okay, let's start. Magpainit muna tayo ng kawali. Kapag mainit na ang ating kawali, is lagyan natin ng oil. Okay, pagkatapos nating initin yung ating cooking oil, ayan, antay-antay muna tayong maging mainit yung ating cooking oil na nilagay sa ating kawali. And yes, kapag mainit na, is ilalagay natin ang ating garlic. So, ayan. Pagkatapos ng ating garlic is kapag nagiging kulay golden brown na yung ating garlic, is isusunod na naman natin ang ating isusunod natin ang ating onion. So, kapag naluluto na, medyo naluluto na yung ating onion, is ilalagay din natin next ang ating next na ilagay natin is ating ginger. And pagkatapos ng ating ginger is isusunod natin ang ating ayudang chiklo. Then, after that, is isusunod natin ang ating potato and also the squash na kinat natin into small pieces and mix it well. And also, lagyan natin ng soy sauce. Any kind of soy sauce is pwede natin gamitin dito. But I use Dato Puti soy sauce for this recipe. And lalagyan natin ng 2 kutsarang soy sauce. Pagkatapos, ay halu-haluin lamang ito. So, after nito, is let's simmer it for 3 minutes. Takpan muna natin siya. And babalikan natin siya after 3 minutes.
A few inches later.
Ayan, and after nito is lalagyan natin ng 2 basong tubig. So, it's up to you guys kung gaano kadami yung gusto nyong maging sabaw ng inyong niluluto. So, ang akin is lalagyan ko siya ng 2 basong tubig.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy.
Lagyan natin ng asin para na rin sa ating panglasa. So, it's up to you guys kung anong gusto yung panglasa, yung swak sa panglasa nyo. And also, next, huwag natin kalimutan lagyan ng konting bitchin or Ajinomoto. So, lagyan natin ng konti. So, nasa sa inyo din yun guys kung gaano karami or kaliit lang yung ilagay nyo na Ajinomoto.
fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might